So welcome back my friend, and in this video we are going to discuss how you can create and manage prompts in Microsoft 365 Copilot even though you are using free version. So my friend, when it comes to AI, prompts are very important, and imagine for a moment when you are dealing with a large database, you are dealing with some complex logics, and you created a prompt. You don't want to lose that prompt even though you want to share those prompts within your organization, so whenever someone is going to do the same work, they will use that prompt. That kind of facility you have in your organization, and that is what Microsoft 365 is providing you. So let's see that how you can do it. My friend, you can see, like, we can open Microsoft 365 Copilot. We can just give the prompt and you will get the result. That is what the normal process is. For example, you created a prompt, something like this, and it's very hard to create this kind of prompt. You create it, and now you want that this prompt is giving you a very good result. So you don't want to lose this prompt even though you want to store it, and at the same time you want that whenever you want you can share with, especially with one group of your organization. So how you can do it, you will just copy, and for example you pasted here and enter. Now AI will analyze that prompt, give you a result. That's the normal process. But let's see that how you can organize it. So till that AI is giving you response, let me explain something. Here you can see we have a very small icon. If you click on this icon, you can see we are getting lots of prompts by Microsoft. So you can see suggested. So here we are getting like lots of categories. Like if you want to go click on create, and then here we are getting, you want from marketing, you want from something else. So that is what you can select. You can also select sales. So as much as categories you are selecting, you can see those many prompts are getting loaded here, so you can use that. So let's add some more categories, and then we can add some more subcategories, and you can see we have these many prompts related to that. So that's the one thing. The second tab you can see, that is your prompt, the prompt I stored here for my usage. So for example, we have lots of prompts here. We are not going to use each and every prompt. Some of the prompts that is, I think that is useful for my organization. So I will just go here, and you can see save button. You will just click. It will be visible in your saved prompt. So any prompt you can just go and click on save. It will be visible in your list. The next thing you can see, and that is here we have save option. So like share prompt. So once you will click on share, you have a link. That is what you can copy and share with someone. You will go in Microsoft Teams, and then you can share over there. The second option we have, my friend, that is share to team, and that's the very good thing, because within your organization you can see you have lots of teams. Like it's not like that you have one or two teams, like based on each and every department, even though within the department you have some other groups as well. So you can select a team and share with them. Once you will share, you can see here team prompt is available. So you can see that like the prompt you shared with a team, and if you just go and remove from here, you will see that you don't have that tab. So whenever you will share your prompt with your team, then only you can see that team prompt. So let me share and share again, so you can see that is available. So that's the one thing. You can create prompt, you can save here within your prompt. You can also search by the filter, what are the Microsoft prompts you have, whatever prompts you created. Right now I don't have any prompt which I created, and that's why I can see it. So those features are available, my friend, and that is very handy. Like you can save for your usage, and then you can share with your team as well. Now let's see that if Microsoft completed that result. Yes, you can see we are getting a very accurate result for content planning. And here, my friend, if you click, you can see what Microsoft did to complete this result. This is what you will not get in free version. I'm using paid version, that's why you can see it. but it's showing that what are the steps taken to complete this answer. And then you will just go back to your prompt. Once you will go back, you can see here we are getting plus, then we are just getting these options. So what you can do is you can edit this prompt. Even though you given to the AI, you can again edit and execute it. Then you can copy, then you can schedule it a prompt, then you can schedule on a time. And then the next thing we are getting, my friend, that is you can save this prompt. You can also copy prompt link. So these options we are getting with each and every prompt we are giving to the AI. So let's go back and click on save. Once you will click on save, it will give you, so this is content planner. You will just save it, and let's go back again here and go to your prompts and then you. So you can see this prompt is available. Now you think that this is very useful prompt, let me share with my team. So you will click on share, you will go here on share button, and then you will select a team and share with them. So once you will share, you will go here and you can see this is what the prompt you shared. Your team member can easily log in and they can see this prompt. So this kind of feature you are getting, and this is very important because in AI era, prompt is everything. If you don't have appropriate prompt, you will not get appropriate result. And that's why it's very important to, if you are creating a very useful prompt, save it so you can use within your organization. Either you can use it itself. So that's why this feature Microsoft added, and I love this prompt, like love this feature, because this is how you can organize your communication with AI. So that's the way, my friend, you can create and save prompts in Microsoft 365 and use as per your requirement. So in next video, we will see that how you can create agents in Microsoft 365 even though you are using free version. See you next video. Till then, bye. This is Sandeep Mishra signing out.